Hate your job? You're not alone. In fact, 3/4 of Americans only work for their paychecks. I was the same way until I started at Howard Academy. I'm Sarah, and in 9 months, I will be a registered dental assistant ready to take on the world. Howard Academy takes place in a state-of-the-art dental facility and is taught by practicing dental professionals at the super dentists. And it's the only one like it in California. They specialize only in dental courses and offer smaller classes for more one-on-one education. They offer every single board-approved dental assistant course all under the same roof. And they even do real job interviews to hire you right after graduation at one of their dental offices, or give you job interview training and resume building to help you land your dream job. I wanted a career where I could better my lifestyle and make a difference. And going to Howard Academy is one of the best decisions I've ever made.
To learn more, call 619 Academy today or visit howardacademy.com.